Retrieve lot number 42B from the central freezer staging area. Ensure temperatures are logged upon exit.
All right, bring that jackfruit pallet straight back. Keep it tight to the left wall. We got to maximize this space.
Securement's tight, the manifest matches the load, including the jackfruit. The temperature logger is running. Go ahead and sign line 12.
All right, I'm good with that.
Keep it coming back slow. You're clear on the left, we're bringing you into dock 4.
Seal number verified against the manifest, Supervisor.
Looks good. The data logger confirms compliance. We'll accept the shipment.
We need to expedite the jackfruit order for the afternoon run. Double check the retail manifests before staging at dock 3. Okay, this pallet is set for the downtown run. Keep the middle zone at 38.
Got it. Next stop is the market after this one.
In 200 feet, turn left onto Main Street. Your destination is on the right.
Keep it coming straight back.
You're good on this side.
Okay, easy now and set the brake.
Here's the manifest for the jackfruit order. Everything look right?
Yes, confirmed. I'll sign now.
Did you find everything all right? That comes to $12.50.
Yes, thank you. Just using Apple Pay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Tear open pouch and drain excess liquid. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the jackfruit.
We need more jackfruit on line 3.
Check the temperature on the steamer.
Watch the conveyor speed.
The results are confirmed. The sample meets the specification.
The aroma presents a faint metallic note, contrasting with the savory benchmark.
Agreed. The texture is noticeably.
We need to increase the yield percentage on line 3.
I'm adjusting the parameters now. The throughput should stabilize within the hour.
Is our top segment. The audio features the sounds of a factory environment, including the prominent sounds of tools being used.
Settings are updated for the new marinade. Go ahead and load the hopper. Pouring it in now. Looks clear. Starting the line. The data confirms a 20% reduction in water usage, primarily due to the new recirculation systems.
Okay, keep them coming. Watch the weight on that pallet. Move the heavy ones to the main line first.
This section on community support is crucial for the sustainable sourcing program.
Agreed. I'll finalize the signing and processing today.
The savory notes are good, but it's still slightly too chewy.
I agree. We should adjust the hydration levels for the next run.
So when adjusting the valve here, pay close attention to the flow rate.
What if the automated reading is inconsistent?
Good question. Always cross-reference with the manual gauge before proceeding.
Yes, the recipe is available on our website.
And we appreciate your input on the new model.
Look at this satisfaction rate, 95%.
Incredible. The repeat purchases are through the roof. We absolutely nailed the texture on the jackfruit. This is huge.
This curry really highlights the versatility. It holds up well to the spice.
And the shredded texture here mimics poultry perfectly.
Service, please. 1 jackfruit, table 7. Pick up.
And here we have the jackfruit pulled pork with the house slaw. Enjoy.
Oh, it looks wonderful. Thank you.
With 18 grams of protein, plus essential fiber, vitamins, and minerals, this plant-based option is a strong.
The assessment confirms significantly lower greenhouse gas emissions and water usage.
The metrics clearly validate the environmental benefits.
As you can see with the jackfruit samples, plant-based proteins are not only healthy, but delicious. We're using this incredible jackfruit today. The texture is amazing, and you won't believe the flavor. Make sure to tag us when you try it at home.
The best vegan jackfruit I've ever tried.
Seriously, these nachos are incredible.
You have to try the taco recipe. It's so versatile.
Look at this velocity. We're dominating the plant-based category.
Absolutely. The ACV growth means we should prioritize expansion into the Northeast next quarter.
These new lines are nearly ready.
Yes, this doubles our capacity for the new quarter.
We'd like to offer you the position. Welcome to the team.
Thank you. I'm thrilled to join the expansion here.
Acknowledging our leadership in plant-based innovation and food safety, this award is a source of immense organizational pride and motivation.
As you can see, the texture is perfect for a sandwich application.
It's delicious. We should definitely move forward with a large order.
Yeah. We need that shipment ready for customs.
I'm on it. Clear the way for the forklift.
This life cycle assessment confirms our sustainability commitment.
We've identified key areas from agriculture to end of life where we can improve.
The texture profile on this latest extrusion looks excellent.
Agreed. The protein alignment is exactly what we aimed for in this iteration.
Drives to oil vein. By optimizing the jackfruit manufacturing process, we're not just creating efficiency, we are actively expanding.
The texture is very fibrous, but in a good way.
Yeah.
It holds up well.
I agree. And the flavor profile is excellent.
This analysis confirms our competitive positioning. The price point makes the plant-based option accessible, supporting significant market expansion.
We are pleased to announce the inclusion of plant-based proteins like jackfruit in our healthy dietary guidelines, offering clear nutritional legitimacy.
Here's the jackfruit barbecue. Let us know what you think.
Oh wow, it looks amazing. Thanks.
These shelf-stable jackfruit meals provide crucial protein in emergency situations, ensuring food security for the community.
The shipment is on schedule. We have green across all distribution channels.
Ensure the upstream flow rate matches.
Here is the premium payment. We are happy to support your sustainable practices and ensure economic justice.
Thank you. This partnership truly helps our community.
By slicing it this way, we maintain the integrity of the fruit. This is crucial for export quality.
Does this also reduce the sap?
This jackfruit line allows us to fully leverage the manufacturing platform, the nuggets especially.
Yes, and it addresses the growing demand for sustainable options.
Yeah, as you can see, the growth trajectory for plant-based meat is exponential. Jackfruit is clearly positioned to capture this shift.
This 24-hour facility transforms 50,000 pounds of raw jackfruit into sustainable vegan protein,